Assalamualaikum. My name is Ashi, and today I gonna make a papeda. I will show you how to make a papeda. What do we need to make a papeda? We need the salt, egg, water, and then rice paper. And also we need to got this chili powder, kaldu sapi, and kaldu jamur. And don't forget the blue pen and the skewer stick. Now we can add kaldu jamur into egg. Don't forget to add salt as well. After that, beat the eggs before cooking them. Put some blue pen on the pan. Put one rice paper in the water. And then we can place wet rice paper on the pan. Don't forget to put a pinch of chili powder. And also kaldu sapi. Now we pour the beaten egg over the rice paper. After that, we take one skewer stick and roll up the rice paper. Yay, I finished making one papeda. Now we can repeat all this step before to make all papedas until finish. Finally, I done cooking a papeda. I used 2 eggs and it's gonna be 12 papeda. It looks delicious. Do you want to try eat the papeda with me? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's so delicious. It's so tasty. Thank you for watching my video. Sekolah Alam Al-Izzah, berakhlak mulia, smart, and kreatif. Bye. Assalamualaikum.